So now that we have the enchilada sauce, ooh, hold on, here, just have a little taste. We've got it in a little pot. We're going to put this on the stove and warm it up.
Oh.
This is a quick way to make enchiladas. Now, next time, we'll show you how to make the enchilada sauce. Well, let's not drink it at the moment. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Ooh,
I can hear it. That crack. The leg pop.
So, where did that stuff go? The next thing we're going to need is tortillas. Alright.
Tortillas. Dad, what kind of tortillas are these? Again?
I've got a hint for you. It comes on a... Does that taste good, cold?
Yeah.
Okay, let's not do that again though, okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
But that was sure yummy.
So, these are called corn tortillas.
Okay. I'm chopping up all out.
And, well, let's see here. How many enchiladas do you want?
16.
Okay. Why don't we start with 3?
Okay.
And I'll have the same. Okay? So look, wait a minute. So these are corn tortillas. And they're different than flour tortilla. Flour tortillas are really floppy and white. Easy now. Because we have stove on over here. Okay?
Okay.
So we want to pay attention. This is going to go very quickly. Okay?
At the drop of
So, please do not.
Or maybe
Leave everything right there and keep your hands over here, please. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
we're going to do this. You hear opposite anywhere? I'm going to move your stool over here, but do not climb there yet, okay? Wait for me.